Hi everyone, a very happy good morning to all. And today's our topic is prevention of communicable diseases. Okay, first of all, we should know what is prevention. Prevention means the action of stopping something from happening or arising. Okay, communicable diseases can be prevented by good hygiene and vaccination. So hygiene, the word, the term, I think the new for you. Hygiene, it is the condition that help to maintain good health and prevent the spread of diseases. So we can say that hygiene is the practices that ensure cleanliness and good health, especially the personal hygiene, which refers to the containing the body's cleanliness. Or we can say that it is defined as the science of health and prevention of diseases. And vaccination is a method to protect the body against diseases. Vaccines are given as injections or as oral drops. For example, DTP is a triple vaccine which is given as injection to a newborn baby for protection against diphtheria, whooping cough and tetanus. Okay. On the other hand, polio vaccine is given orally, means through mouth it is given as oral drops and is called OPV, oral polio vaccine. Besides, a common vaccine BCG is given for the disease tuberculosis. But as you know, prevention is better than cure. Have you ever listened this phrase? What I have told, prevention is better than cure. So it is a common phrase. It is very famous. It is a very famous phrase. You see, for the last 4 months, we all are staying mostly at our home. Less numbers of people can go out from their home due to some important works only. Why? What is the reason behind it? It is because coronavirus is spreading through all our countries and all we fighting against the disease as far as possible by staying at home, using masks and keeping social distance. So we can say nowadays we are taking a prevention that we are fighting against coronavirus. This is all the things by which we can stop the spreading of coronavirus. So this is the prevention that we are taking today. But those people are found as COVID-19 positive. It takes a lot of time to cure. So it is said that prevention is better than cure. Clear? Keeping this point in your mind, that I am going to discuss how we can prevent the communicable diseases. We can prevent the communicable diseases by following some given measures. First one, a person infected with a communicable disease should be kept separate from healthy persons of the family. We should touch things used by an infected, we should not touch things used by an infected person and should be kept and cleaned separately. Third one is food and drinking water should be kept covered or at all the times to prevent flies from sitting on them. we should not eat uncovered food, because if we keep our food uncovered, then flies may be shed on there. Okay. Next one, waste bin and sewage pipes should be kept covered to prevent the growth of germs on them. So we should keep our wash bin and sewage pipe covered, because the germs may grow on them. Next one is, water should not be allowed to collect and stand in any place, because mosquitoes and flies may lay eggs and increase in number in such places. There are lots of mosquitoes in summer seasons, so we should apply mosquito repellent creams and sleep under mosquito nets to avoid mosquito bite. Means by using net or mosquito repellent, we can protect from mosquito bite. So these are the ways by which we can prevent communicable diseases. Okay. Now vaccination. Many germs are present in our surroundings all the time. They can enter our body at any time and cause many diseases. To prevent such germs from causing diseases, vaccines can be taken. So vaccines are given as injections or oral drops, which we have already discussed. So vaccination is a method to protect the body against diseases. The protection against diseases is achieved by the administration of a substance called vaccine into the body. A vaccine is a preparation that contains weakened or killed disease-causing germ that will not cause the disease. So vaccines are prepared by collecting weak germs. When these vaccines are injected in the body of a human being, the body gains the ability to kill the germs as they are weak and cannot grow in the body to cause the particular disease. Thus, vaccines prepare the body to fight germs the next time they enter the body. So, vaccines prepare the body to fight germs the next time they enter the body. So, vaccination thus helps to fight common diseases caused by germs present in the surroundings. Okay, thank you.